Welcome to Automated Trading. So if you're looking to store and manage your cryptocurrencies on Coinbase, well, here's a step-by-step guide to setting up a Coinbase wallet. So first, download the official Coinbase wallet app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Then open the app and select Create a New Wallet. Next, review and accept the privacy policy and terms of service. Then select your username, and as a point of interest, it cannot ever be changed. And then write down your 12-word recovery phrase in a safe place. This phrase is crucial for accessing your wallet if you lose your device or password. Next, create a password to access your wallet. And then choose a security method like biometrics, such as Face ID or fingerprints, or select a passcode. Now, here are detailed steps for browser extensions. So go to the Chrome Web Store and add the Coinbase wallet extension should you not choose to use your phone. And then choose to create a new wallet or import an existing one. If creating a new wallet, follow the prior steps for your recovery phrase, password, etc. that we just spoke about. Then next, pin the extension to your browser.